Hi guys, my name is Lesley DePiero from Lesley's in the House. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about everything related to home decorating, design, and DIY projects. And also as a special feature, I'll be highlighting my own house renovation step by step and in real time. So keep watching for the final reveal coming soon. On today's episode, I will be showing you another DIY project. But before I do, please make sure to give a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to when I post my next video. Oh, and if you like my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it's a great way for me to reach more of you decorating divas out there. Like most of you know who have been following Lesley's in the House, my house is currently under renovation. And I'm in the process of ordering furniture and accessories for the new space. Guys, I want to show you this awesome dresser that I found at my local home sense. I absolutely fell in love with this piece for my guest bathroom. Guys, when searching for a bathroom vanity, you don't have to buy a standard piece that you'll find at your local large box store. You can create a custom piece by shopping around any home furnishing store. So while I was out shopping for a client's home, I saw this dresser and I didn't love the color. However, I loved the overall style. Now, when looking for a vanity, you want to keep a few things in mind. The overall height, which is usually 31 to 36 inches tall, but since I'm going to have my builder install a vessel sink on top, the vanity needs to be a little bit lower to accommodate the vessel sink, which usually adds another 5 to 6 inches. And for reference, this cabinet is 30 inches high, and then including the counter height, it comes in at a total of 31 inches, which is perfect. Now, if you want, you could remove the original countertop. I happen to like the counter as it is, but I'm going to be painting this cabinet a beautiful shade of green. And I think it's just going to elevate this beautiful piece. I'm going to keep this hardware and I'm going to spray paint it a metallic antique gold along with the legs of the piece. Okay. So as you can see, I'm outside. Just make sure when doing a project like this that you check out the weather. There is nothing worse than being caught in the rain, which believe me has happened to me. You also want to make sure to allow for drying time. So check the weather. Materials needed, some sort of floor covering. I'm using an old tarp, a screwdriver to remove the hardware and cabinet doors, a cloth of some type to remove any debris, and also, if the furniture has a lacquer on it, you're going to want to lightly sand it so you get a clean surface for the paint to adhere to. Once you have all your materials, it's time to paint. Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, first you want to start with removing the cabinet. Then you want to remove the old hardware. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I learned that from my dad. You're going to want to use something to elevate the cabinet so you could paint it. So I'm just using an old box.
I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money.
Okay, guys, here it is. My custom bathroom vanity. I painted it this really cool green color, like a Kelly green. And I spray painted the hardware an antiqued bronze. So the piece came out really nice. I did wind up painting inside except for the interior doors. Room for plenty of storage in the bathroom. So I'm going to show you how I plan to style it in my bathroom. Now again, this is just loosely based on what I'm planning on doing. So this is the vessel sink that I ordered, and I think I want it offset. So I'm thinking I'm going to have the builder offset it to the side. Okay. And again, I don't have the right accessories, but I'm just kind of showing you how I might decorate. Maybe put this like this. I might put a nice little hand towel here, pulling all the colors together so it all looks cohesive. And this is the faucet that I got. So, and I'm kind of just going to lean it up here for now. Obviously, all these little pieces won't be sticking out. I'm just leaning it up. But yeah, this is just to give you an idea how I might style it. Make sure you tune in to the final reveal of my home renovation, which, as you can see right now, I'm in my family room. Everything's kind of thrown in here. I have a dining room table, which I'm refinishing right now. So I'm still in the process, but stay tuned. I'm doing a DIY on my dining room table as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. But yeah, as you can see, kind of everything's thrown around. This is not typically what my family room looks like. As you can see over there, we have the tarp. That's the other side of the house. That's where most of the addition is happening on either side. I got my refrigerator in here. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy and hectic. And there goes Minnie, my cat. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think the pop of green gives it a more modern vibe, and the gold accent just kind of dresses it up a little bit. Oh, and the other thing I restyled was my hair. I don't know if you guys noticed. Now I did the whole top layer blonde and the underneath dark. So tell me what you think. I absolutely love it. Shout out to Kimmy at Chic Hair in Emerson, New Jersey. She did a great job. So this brings us to the end of my video. I hope I taught you some tips and tricks along the way. Remember, you don't always have to go with standard. You can make a piece custom. Just takes a little thinking outside of the box. Paint always comes in handy. Great way to repurpose old furniture. So I'm so happy that you joined me today. Stay tuned for when I refinish that dining room table, and keep watching for my final home renovation, where you can see new custom vanity in its new home. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Lesley's in the House. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You can be alerted to when I post my new video. This is Lesley DePiero from Lesley's in the House. Until next time. Bye, friends.
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up,